simple? Why don't you keep it simple? Just play a 4-5-1 here. Just keep it simple, because you'll always find 2 against 1 here. Allow the center back to pass him, because if they pass the ball there, you are already late. Watch what happens. 10, ball watching, they play the ball. They are attacking us now. Yeah. I'm only disappointed with Sipoche. My man, uyi-1, akekho umuntu akusi Arsenal. Uyi-1, une-space. Ibhola uyalibona liyasuka laphaya. But we are busy digitaling. You are in no man's land as a keeper, and you want to go to the World Cup. These things that teams will say, we can't pay 50 million because he doesn't pass the ball to this guy that's running. If he Pirates it, no, sifuna 60 million. Our team that no, we can't pay 60 million for a player that doesn't pass the ball there. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orbit College 0, Orlando Pirates 2. Orlando Pirates are the new Betway Premiership champions. Congratulations to Amapagania. What made them, one of the reasons that they won the league was the recruitment in the beginning of the season. Very important, the recruitment. So that you win the league or you don't win the league, or you'll go down. Orbit College came here, Bangena Baya Puma, nothing to show. You'll only remember them Muguti. They took their away games to the big stadium. That's the only thing about Kumbulangai. The biggest thing that they should have done was to recruit experience in the spine. Let me give you an example. In my case, last year, they had Uchi Pezeze as a goalkeeper, experienced goalkeeper. Devon City, they have Uteren Kit, Emma Paline as a goalkeeper. Both of those teams, they stayed in the league and they also won a trophy. Hopefully, Orbit College, the money that they received in these 2 games, the big games that they had, they'll go back and regroup and invest properly into Itapiab. Now, let's start. Yesterday's game, right? You're gonna start your shape, your Orbit College. The most important thing for Bona in this game was their shape. They totally got it wrong. They had a 4 and a 2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, which was wrong, because you'll always find spaces here, and these 3 guys, instead of just keeping it simple. Why don't you keep it simple? Just play a 4-5-1 here. Just keep it simple, because you'll always find 2 against 1 here. If the ball is this side, you'll always find 2 against 1. Instead of going to this guy, Azobala, he finds himself picking a midfield, a central midfield, and this guy is supposed to be a winger. The problem with Orbit College, they tried to be smart. Now they are going down. Instead of keeping it just simple, you try to be smart. And yes, Bakorang my own goal, right? Bakorang my own goal, the Pirates. But okay, the Pirates formation in Pirates 4-2-3-1. They don't change. They always keep it the same. Now, ball comes to the right. You see, it's these 2 double pivots. Now, corner the double pivot. They are not doing zonal marking. This guy was busy chasing Umfuke. Most for in, if he's making a run, stay there, Mfanagiti. Stay there. I need to, this guy is worried about here. This guy must be worried. When are you just staying here? And these 2, they must communicate. I need just communicate. Who made Dwayne? You always find the space when there is not when a team is not set up proper. Just showing you the setup. Let me show you another clip. Another one. Pirates has the ball and it's sharp. These are the 2 double pivots. This is supposed to be winger. This is the winger. This guy was playing as a 10. Now you'll find Uguti. I don't know. I truly don't understand what was the thinking behind this. You'll find this guy a central midfielder. You find this guy a central midfielder. I don't know why. I don't know why. Instead of Guti, this guy or this guy should be closing down the space there. This guy is supposed to just let them pass the ball there. Then we go and press guy. You move in here, right? You move in here, you move in here, you move in here. Simple. But now, I'll show you in another clip. Because of you have a midfield, a winger pressing here. Sharp. Watch what happens. Remember what I said, Guti. You'll always find spaces. You'll always find space là, because this winger is tucked in too much. He's tucked in too much. Then who's over 2 against 1? Got time to do everything ayifunayo uMbatha. Wenzani uMbatha? Looks up, Sibelebele is making a run. In this case, they were lucky, but I'm just showing you his setup. It was totally wrong. Orbit College setup was poor. Their teams you can see, no, these ones are going down. In the beginning of the season, you can tell. Orbit College, Imakesi, I predicted with those two, they are going down. Another one I thought was Richards Bay. They did well, they improved. They changed how they played. They became smarter. But Orbit College, Imakesi, afraid. Now, you have to have a defensive structure, right? Then when you attack, you have to have certain goals or scripted plays, scripted movements. You need to have a game plan. Now, I'm just going to show you Guti. This team, they must just go down. There's nothing here. Here. There is nothing. They must just go. Yeah. Want you to watch this. There's a winger here. They're keeping the ball nicely. Okay, sharp. Keep the ball. Now, you don't just keep the ball for the fun of it. You keep the ball for a reason. Okay, Magvulegi space. This is the space that we want. Massive Vulogile, we attack this space. Now, they push the ball, all the time. There's space here. There's space here. There's two guys there. Watch what happens. It's poor. We are going back. There's 3 things that you can see, Guti. This team is not well coached. They are not well coached. What should have done, let me take it back. What should have happened here, or what they should have done was, this guy was supposed to drop here. If no one goes with him, then he gets the ball. And even if someone comes with him, still you pass the ball there. Because I am definitely sure if the left back goes with him, then this guy will be free. You just pass the ball. If OCBC goes with him, then Undaba is going to try and close. He's not going to go there. If OCBC goes there, Undaba is going to come and close here. So this guy will be free. That's the first one. The second one, this guy could have moved here to open up his space this side so that the ball can be played there. That's the second one. The third one was this guy moving in here. You move in here. But I don't blame him. They are not well coached. They are not well coached. Could have played the ball earlier here. We don't play the ball. We will move. It's under pressure. Okay? Let's press. Puma, then watch what happened. It is 1, 2, 3. It is 3 against 1. Bafethu. Watch again. Abatsamaye ka khotso. First chance here, Orlando Pirates should have scored. Rotate the ball. Don't forget, ball on the right, the ball will go to the left-hand side. They are sleeping. They don't know. They are sleeping. They don't know what they are doing. Don't press there. Go there and Panagit. He doesn't. This one is trying to go in there. Don't block this pass. Don't block this pass. Allow the center back to pass him. Because if they pass the ball there, you are already late. Watch what happens. 10, ball watching, they play the ball. They are attacking us now. Should have scored or should have hit the target. Now, the two double pivot, there's an Obi. More. The two double pivot, there's an Obi. Now, 1, 2. This one is worried. This one was worried about Mfukeng. This one was worried about Apolis. Now, I want you to watch this guy. He goes in. Why is he here? You are a central midfielder. Why are you going to the line, Yama defenders? Because Aumakanga Mundu. So why are you going here? Why? Hey. Come here, Mfanagiti. You are a midfielder. You're supposed to occupy the space in the middle. There's no need for you to go to Uhambe Nama defend. Unless if there's someone going with you. Our league needs to do better. Among it, our league. I'm talking about the players and the coaches that we have. We need to have coaches that know Indaba Zabo. Right? You need to go and study and do things, and our players need to improve as well. You don't have to go to Yonki into Manjimelu coach. Ball watching. This left back ball watches. I'll show you 2 clips in the second half. This guy likes to ball watch. I don't know for what. Ball watching. Mfanagiti. At this level, Premiership. It's Premiership, guys. You're a professional player. There is no way that you can be ball watch. At this level, football, guys, it's the same. Right? It's the same from Sadalo until professional. It's just that the intensity of the game grows and the quality improves. But there's no way Guti at under 12 you were not told or you didn't know Guti the ball will be played across. You must not ball watch. There's no way. One of the things that I don't like about new formations in team, right? And what I didn't like about the formation in Orbit, I knew Guti when the game continues, when the game becomes fast, they will lose their shape. You must never lose your shape when you are playing against a big team. Pirate was attacking here, sharp. Orbit clear, ball comes to a Pirate. Now you can already see Guti, they've lost their shape. You have to quickly recover in terms of Sbuyela back to shape. But I already knew there was going to be problems in the midfield because of you look at the one central midfield. Where is another one? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the other one? We've lost the shape already. Now watch what happens. Apolis has got time and space to do whatever that he wants. Pass outside foot. Kamnand. Even though I don't like outside foot, this was great. I said it in the beginning of the season before we went to AFCON. I said Guti, Muremi needs to work on his finishing. And then I remember someone saying, he's a good finisher. No. I don't say things because of I just say them for fun. Another thing that I don't like defenders who don't want to defend. We defend njani engafuna ukudefend. Phela fana ne-strike esingafuna ukukora, esingathanda ukukora. Hayi. Your man is making a run. Go with him. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why? Because the ball is here already. Why when you push? I don't like defenders that don't want to defend. We poison ngafuna ukuba yipoisa. If Usipho Chain doesn't go to the World Cup, I wouldn't be surprised and I wouldn't cry. Yeah? It's because of small things. We won. No one. Akekho umuntu osespacing sakho there's no one interfering with you. We won la mfana kithi. We are all alone. We are all alone. But ushawa timing. All alone we won. Ibhola ulibonile from lisuka le. Why don't uphuma? Uyalibona. Yazi. Now, another thing. This guy, I don't know why bekangafaki ikhanda. Yeah? Maybe they could have stayed. Maybe bazosala ku Premier League. Why are you fighting with uBhodlela? Or why ufuna ukukhahlela ibhola in the 18 area? Yeah? Hit the ball. Go for the header. Go for the header, my man. You're supposed to go for the head. Yeah? Umile ushilde uBhodlela uSibisi. Like, instead of attacking, go and attack the ball. Yeah? You could have attacked the ball wakorala. Or you did something. The ball is coming. Go to the ball. And you can see it. You can see the ball. And no man's land. Go and attack the ball. Use your head. Use your head. But I'm only disappointed with Usipo Chain here. I'm only disappointed with Usipo Chain. My man, we won. I see Arsenal. We won. In space. People yalibona liyasuka laphaya. But we are busy telling you are in no man's land as a keeper. And you want to go to the World Cup. In football or in life, you need luck of it. Whether you like it or not, you need luck sometimes to win a game. Because I don't know, goalkeeper la. It's just poor, man. Poor. You can't as a keeper. As a keeper, the ball is there. And then when udlula ibhola liyeza, then bese uyadlula. No. You're supposed to catch the ball here in front of you. Not so, not like this. No. You can't catch the ball so. You're supposed to catch the ball facing amapali le. Ukuthi udlula kanjani and then you use one fist. Bafethu. You can't. Ibhola selisemuva. Ibhola bafethu. Keeper mo. Yeah? Imagine the ball now. Ibhola, you are standing so. And then he goes out and then ibhola selila. Ibhola selila yena sekala. Sekadlula ibhola. Kanjani mfana kithi? That's why ngithi whichever team that comes up, they need an experienced goalkeeper. They need an experienced spine. Second half. Same thing as the first half. Orbit College with their formation, isebakhathele shem. And another thing, yes, abanye abantu bazothi game meeting isiwe. We don't know. I mean, I don't like having those conversations because there's no proof. It's shipping talk. I don't like shipping talk. Like both those goals, there's just something poor about them. Something poor that they need to work on. Like there was no pressure here for me. There was no pressure here. Umbatha gets time and space to do whatever that he wants. And then again, here at the back, there's no communication. Like I don't think this guy knew Guzwa Umuntu. You have to communicate. If you don't communicate, you'll always concede goals. Target inside. And another thing that this guy could have done, just let it go. Let the ball go. Let the ball go and try and recover because Mbuthuma is already jumping. And let it go. He's not Mbuthuma. He's not that clinical. That's why soccer players, most of them, they don't watch game. They don't watch. They don't know Guti. They don't analyze the players that are going to play against because Mbuthuma ngeke akora lapha because he was still going to tap the ball and besasazofuna ukushaya. Wena uyenzani, you let it go, you recover. But hopefully they'll improve. There's one incident that made me question ukuthi hey maybe ngathi bayithengile le game ne, but I don't think so. It's just poor goalkeeping here. Remember what I said ukuthi when time goes on you're gonna lose your shape because it's a new formation anijwayelanga ni practice for 1 week. Look at how many are in here. There's 5 now. Now this guy Yenzani comes in, he wants to be in the middle. Okay, sharp. Umbuthuma makes a run, doesn't get it. Okay, we are holding a line. It's not a high line, it's just a line. What was the keeper doing there? It's things like this that will make people question Guti. I need to game match fixing. This is not a line, we're just holding a line. The high line is here. It's a high line. But here we just hold the line. Keep the line. They do well with Umbuthuma, but they don't do well here. You can't, you are a defender. Ufuna ukuthi a midfielder kick him. No. Take him, Baba. Hey. Okay, sharp. Now the keeper here. You use your feet to protect Amapali. If Bayashaya, then you can use your feet. But you use your feet for a cross. Aye. Mpanagit. Aye. Nah. Sleeping on duty, ball watching. Sleeping on duty, ball watching. Watch these two. Ball in the middle. Bele. Pass was poor. Now watch this one. Bele should have. I think he should have scored. Let's just give credit to the keeper because we were a shy target. But just poor from the midfielder there. Ball watching, Panagit. Give credit to the keeper. You can't always say poor finishing, nan. Ushaili target. Just give credit to the keeper there. That's poor. Isn't just the Buffett. That's small things in G. Giving Mfukeng time and space. Yeah, Chiga. Ball watching. Beautiful pass there. Beautiful pass. We all know Gutum Mfukeng is a good player, is a brilliant player. But the only thing I have a problem now is not passing someone who's making a run behind. And it's small things that will make you go a Holland or a Belgium instead of going a France, Portugal, those leagues. Right? There's 2 levels. There's actually more than 2 levels, right? There's 3 and 4 levels. Kuna Iceland, those abo Austria, that's a different level now. Bese kuzoba nabo Belgium, bese kuzoba nabo France, the top 5 leagues in Europe. It's small things that will make you drop a level in Europe. And there's no reason for you not to pass here. There's just no reason. You want to pass there, you want to go and score. There's no reason for you to tell us why unga pass umuntu Kijimani. Because it's these things that teams will say we can't pay 50 million because he doesn't pass the ball to this guy that's running. If he Pirates it knows sifuna 60 million, our team that no, we can't pay 60 million for a player that doesn't pass the ball there. It's just small things that he needs to improve. Why do you want to pass Uma Hopa there? Pass this guy as a pass Uma Hopa. There's 2 guys here, it's 2 against 1 there. Yeah? Hey, no Hopa na mama say, hey, Papa says, Mama says, Papa says. Final clip of your Orlando Pirates, the champions of South Africa this season. I told you, Guti, when the game goes on, Bazo Katala, they're gonna lose shape. Angazi yini le. Half a moon. Okay. Now, it's 2 against 1. And then they let him pass the ball there. Okay, sharp. It's a good thing. Now, who is marking him? Not two we are ball watching. Now, who is marking him? Now, watch this guy here. This is Utito. Want you to watch this guy. Ball watching, Panagit. Ball watching. And watch what he does. We are walk to come here. They walk. Yeah? But wait, what a pass. What a pass. Unlucky there. Just ball watching. Poor from Obi. And we all knew what Obi to poor. Congratulations to Oma Pagania. This is my second last video of the Premiership. I'm gonna do Kaizer Chiefs just now on. But I just want to say thank you for the support, guys. It means a lot. Keep on watching. Hopefully, I'll be able to post a video where Bafana and other African countries who will come. Thank you for the support. Young Pinto, the whole season, the whole year. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Nyabonga.